Welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, where we show you the china being listed on our website so you can get a feel for its condition, size and shape, because quite often on a website it could be any size, couldn't it? But here we have a lovely sugar bowl, an open bath like, really, isn't it? It's almost like a slipper bath in its design here, beautifully decorated in a very rich gold, almost burnished in its effect here, with this little floral garland running around and then this sort of pedestal foot. This is not particularly old. It's Royal Doulton Covington H4966, copyright Royal Doulton Limited. Dates this to the sort of last quarter of the 20th century, really, 1975 through to early 1990s. This would have been produced, and it's in absolute mint condition. Beautiful, pristine, white porcelain glazed interior. The rim is absolutely fine, not a nick, not a crack, not anything on it, and the china mark in superb condition, as is the glaze all over. So if you are a collector of Covington, or you've broken your sugar bowl, or looking to increase your set, then we've got an absolutely beautiful example here and available for you to consider. All the sizes of this sugar basin will be on the website listing, so if you'd like to see further details on it, the diameter, the depth, the width and the height, they will all be on the website listing, which will be linked from the description below, and we will hopefully have a little graphic which you can click on that will take you directly to the website listing as well from YouTube. So do follow those links and have a browse through on the Vintage and Antiques China website, where we've got a couple of pieces of Covington going on sale. This and a cake serving plate, I think, is just about to be listed, so they should both be available by the time you see this online. Thanks for watching.